This one here is problem 5, chapter 5, section 2, problem 12. What is the probability that it's an 8? The number of success, look at our deck of cards here. The probability that it's an 8, you see 4 of them. It's 4, so the successful outcomes will be 4. Total outcomes in the deck is 52. So the probability that it'll be an 8 is going to be 4 out of 52, which is a fraction of 1/3, or 1 over 13. Part B, what is the probability that it's a red card? You can see half the deck there is red. So half of 52 is 26. So there are 26 possible outcomes to get a red card. So the probability of getting a red card is going to be the number of red cards divided by total outcomes, or 26 out of 52, which simplifies to 1/2. Part C, a non-face card. Part C is a diamond. So probability, how many diamonds are there in the deck? You see that there are 13 diamonds in the deck. So we have the number. So the probability of an event occurring is the number of successful outcomes divided by the total outcomes, which is going to be 13 out of 52, which simplifies to 1/4. 1 out of 4 cards. And there's your 1/4 there. That was C. Part D, a non-face card. So number of face cards in the deck is 12. So how many non-face cards are there in the deck? It's going to be 52 minus 12, which is 40. There are 40 non-face cards in the deck. So the probability of an event occurring is going to be the number of successful outcomes divided by the total outcomes, which in this case is 40 over 52, which simplifies to 10 out of 13. And that's for part D. Part E, the king or an ace. So I should say this in the beginning, part E here. Since you see the cards here, king or an ace, they can't be both at the same time. So the probability that it'll be a king or an ace is going to be the probability that it's a king plus the probability that it's an ace, since they both can occur at the same time. Or I should say, yeah. So when I put this in notation here, strong here. So, with that being said, the number of kings in the deck, we see there are 4 possible kings. The number of aces in the deck, there are 4. So the probability will be 1 out of 13 for each one of them. So the probability that it's a king or an ace is going to be the result of adding the 2 probabilities, since they can occur at the same time. So it'll be 1 out of 13 plus 1 out of 13, which is 2 out of 13. Mm-hmm.